Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So after the first lockdown, we were inundated with phone calls asking for the prices of our driving lessons. Can it be cheaper? Of course, obviously we're in a financial difficult situation right now with the economic crisis, with the pandemic, people losing their jobs. So people are assuming that maybe driving lessons are going to be cheaper. So we're going to discuss if it's going to be cheaper after the lockdown. And of course, now we're in the third lockdown. So after the lockdown, will the driving lessons get cheaper? Will the instructors understand that people have lost their jobs? People are in a very difficult situation, in a financial difficult situation. Would that reflect in the prices of the driving lessons? Before we go through it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School. So I don't know if you guys are aware, if I've mentioned it before, I'm in a group chat full of driving instructors, and we discuss these things. We discuss what the average price of a driving lesson is, what people should be doing, how driving instructors should be pricing their driving lessons, etc. It's just a group discussion of us instructors. But let's talk about it from a student's point of view. Look, we've just come out of lockdown. Maybe we haven't got enough money, we haven't got enough savings, we've lost our jobs, but we need that license. Can the driving lessons get cheaper? First of all, you have to also understand that your driving instructor hasn't been working. They've also lost their income. They've also got bills to pay. So you have to understand from their point of view that one of the reasons why they would not want it to be cheap, but if anything, they might want to bump it up and make the prices a little bit higher, because they've also lost their income stream coming through. Yes, I know you could argue, but the government did help pay out and give them some money, but they have also got bills to pay. Don't forget that. Now, the other flip side of the coin is there might be some driving instructors out there who do it as a part-time job, who do it as just a secondary income. So it's not really their full-time professional job. So those kind of instructors, they may possibly decide to undercut the market, bring it by a lower price, and therefore give the false impression that yes, instructors are bringing the prices down. But don't forget, these guys are doing it as a part-time job. It's not their main source of income. So personally, of course, I get students call me up saying, look, someone else is giving a lower price, why can you not match it? You have to understand, we're fully qualified. We've been teaching for so long. We've got the experience. We know how to get you guys past. We don't want to, bring the prices too low. If we bring the price too low, you bring the quality low. So I'll say the simple answer is yes, there might be some instructors out there who might bring the prices of the lessons lower. Maybe they want to attract more customers in and they're struggling, or maybe it's their part-time job, so they don't really care about the income because it's a secondary income. But most instructors out there will keep the price stable, will keep it at the same level it was initially at. Maybe they might make it a bit higher because, like I said, it's a professional job for us, it's a full-time job for us, we're fully trained. So after the lockdown, I personally would say I don't believe a fully qualified driving instructor trained profession would bring the prices a bit lower. Don't forget, guys, you can always like, share, and subscribe with my channel, FM Driving School. We've got loads of videos helping you how to pass your driving test. In that way, you can save a lot of money because you'll be fully prepared for your driving lessons and your driving tests. So please, guys, check it out and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.